airplane's sufficiently warmed up, and here's the run-up. Okay? So what I do is I put the mixture forward. I run it up to about 1500 RPM. Mag check. Then you hit the off button real quick. That makes sure that the key leaf's not broken. Then we cycle the prop 3 times. Bring the throttle back. And then ideally what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go to 800 RPMs when you shut it off. And then when you pull the mixture, you're supposed to have a rise on the RPMs of like 50 to 75. So let's try that. See how it rose up there? That's good. Master off, mags off. We're gonna launch these puppies.